Hello friends, welcome back to this Facebook page. We are again here with today's video. You have to take strip of green and yellow color. Start inserting them inside each other and the columns are obtained like this. Join the tips of the strips and staple it. After rolling it, make this. Now take a glass, cut the white strip from the top and cut the glass from in between. After cutting it from in between, you have to make strips of that glass. After spreading it, it looks great. Now you have to roll the strips as shown and now you can draw eyes and a smiling face. See, this sunflower looks great. Take a green sheet and make a leaf out of it. After making a leaf, what you have to do is you have to open it and then roll another green strip and make pedicle of that leaf. After the insertion of that leaf, you have to take another white sheet and then roll it into the strippy form. You can make a snail like this of that white form and then see the snail is moving. Note the dimensions and cut this paper into dimensional part. After doing that, you can start applying this in this manner and join it all together. After joining it all together, you can untape it and roll it into a circular form. See how cutely it will hang on the walls of yours. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.